All right, in this one we're going to get into the 6 trig functions based on the sides of a right triangle. So first of all, when I'm doing a problem like this, I need to find the length of the hypotenuse, the third side. So A is 12, B is 9, and so by the Pythagorean theorem, I could figure out what the other side is. It's square root of 12 squared plus 9 squared. That's the square root of 225, and that's 15. Okay, so top side here is 15. So we got 12, 9, and 15. All right, and then we're going to go through the 6 trig functions. So I encourage you, when you do these, go in the order of sine, cosine, tangent first. All right, not in any particular order, but those be your first 3. All right, and then do the reciprocals for the other. Okay, so sine of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse. So 9 over 15, right? But always reduce these. 9 over 15 has a common factor of 3, so this is 3 over 5, okay? Don't forget, you can always use your calculator to reduce a fraction. 9 over 15, math, 1, enter, will reduce a fraction, so that's 3 over 5. But anyway, that's what you want to reduce it. Simplify your answer, means get the fraction in the lowest terms. All right, there's my fraction button, 3 on the top, 5 on the bottom, so 3/5. So what that means is cosecant, when it's time, is going to be the reciprocal of that. So when I get to cosecant, all I have to do, I don't have to start over or anything, I just flip that over. 5 over 3. All right, cosine, that is the adjacent side, that's A. So that's 12 over the hypotenuse, 15. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that would be 12 over 15. I'm going to reduce that as well, so I get 4/5. So I'm going to do cosine is, there's my fraction thing, 4. So that means secant, when it's time, is going to be the reciprocal of that. So secant is going to be 5 over 4. Okay, and then tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So in this case, B over A. B is 9, A is 12. So again, that will reduce to 3 over 4. But tangent is also sine divided by cosine. And when you've already done sine and cosine and you have them in fractions, simplified fraction form, when they have the same denominator like this, 5 and 5, the tangent will just be the numerator of sine divided by the numerator of cosine. So it's just going to be 3 over 4. So there's 3/4. There's my answer. So cotangent will be 4/3. It'll be the reciprocal of tangent. So once I've done those 3, that's why I told you to do those 3 first. Now we go back and just flip them over. So sine is going to be 5/3. Secant is going to be 4/3. I'm sorry, secant is going to be 5/4. I got off a line. Secant is going to be 5/4. The reciprocal of cosine, and then tangent is going to be 4/3. Cotangent is 4/3. So the last 3 there are the reciprocals of the first 3.